Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video, and that is a very interesting one which is about describing a crowded place you have visited. So this is the cue card which I'm going to speak on it. So if you basically want to learn English, basically if you want to practice and if you want to basically good in English language, so you can subscribe to my channel. Here you can see multiple videos of English language and English practice, like how a beginner can basically speak and what are the difficulty he will face. You will find out after checking my videos. So if I talk about the cue cards, so let's jump into this video. So basically I found out these 5W and 1H, and I have wrote down the words which is I have highlighted. So I'm going to speak these all words and try to basically actually create a story. So let's jump into this video. So if I talk about a market which is very crowded, which is far from my house, basically I visited sometimes in a yearly basis. So I'm going to talk about last month when I visited on 7th to 10th of the month, basically. Uh, I found out there is lot of rush because there's lot of people have got basically salary, so they want to basically buy accessories and some clothes and things like that for their family, basically. Because of that, there is a lot of rush. So I've also gone there for to buy basically my cell phone accessories, because I found it very cheaper comparison to my street shops, because they are very too much expensive comparison to the old market which is in situated in beside from the bus stand, which is a very crowded place. And there are a lot of people, basically. Because of that, you cannot basically drive your vehicles over that street market, basically. And if I talk about you will find out there multiple shops, such as like stalls and like showroom as well you will find. And basically there are all types of peoples coming, like such as who are very living a luxury life, and some people who are living a very mediocre life. So you will there are a lot of peoples and range of peoples are coming day to day basis. And yeah, this was a very crowded place which I visited. And I found it very interesting to basically visit there, because you will find a lot of new faces, such as there are multiple people which are coming from across the city to basically buy things which is cheaper. Basically the market is very famous for cheapest basically things. So that's why most of the peoples are coming to buy there. So on the cue card, basically that is it. I think I was too fast, and I should need to be basically more speak clearly. Because of that, basically I can listen and people can also understand what I'm trying to speak. So I think probably I have spoken at least for 1 minute, I think. So let's see, while basically going to basically listen this video as well and try to basically collect words which I can basically improve in upcoming days as well. So today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video. If you want to watch another video, you can basically see multiple videos. There is a lot of video which I uploaded without thinking anything. And if you want to basically really want to basically learn English, so you can subscribe to my channel. And I'll assure you, basically without spending a single amount of penny, you can basically learn, speak, and read as well. Just need your efforts. So that is it. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Have a good day.